Now, khona le movie le bathi Straw by Tyler Perry. Bafethu singabantu we go through a lot. Abantu might not even say, abantu might think ukuthi you just making up excuses ngempilo yakho, but the honest truth ukuthi singabantu we just go through a lot. There are days where you would get calls from esikolweni and you won't even pick up. And nakhona isikolo sikufonela just to tell you ukuthi make arrangements in the transport izolanda umntwana earlier because of isikolo siphuma early. But because of you owe school fees, usaba nokupick up ifoni yasesikolweni. Mawusathi ubheke logo, you'll get messages from your creditors that there are certain accounts ozikolodayo. Mawusathi ubheke logo, you get texts from school groups telling you about the trip ezoba khona esikolweni, it needs money. Mawusathi ubheke logo, a child comes home missing a shoe, just one shoe. Now you have to make a plan to buy new shoes. Endlini there's no food. We go through a lot singabantu, and especially as single parents. I'm not saying ukuthi mawungenamntwana you don't go through a lot, but I'm speaking from a perspective of umuntu enohlala nomntwana. We just go through a lot. Sometimes the child is sick, you don't have money to go to work, you don't have money to take the child to the doctor, you don't even have money to put on petrol, endlini akunakudla. And when you get a text ethi esibali ngiyashadisa weekend, you get excited because if you know good you'll get some food. So singabantu bafethu we go through a lot. And I also want to say thank you to Tyler Perry for at least showing movie. It's just a bare minimum of what we as people go through. It doesn't even get to an extent where now you have to mistakenly shoot umuntu. But it does get to an extent where you now have to lie constantly. Like everything we khulumayo, it's just lies. It's just lies. Why umntwana angakhiranga? Umntwana ushiya isikhaftini ngicela e-tuck shop nimnike nokudla, I'll make a plan. It's a lie. Why namhlanje you bathe with cold water? No, gezi moshekile. It's a lie. You just don't have electricity. Why endlini kubanda? Why don't you switch on the heater? Hey, the heater emotion. No, it's a lie. You just can't afford to use ugesi wako on a heater in this cold weather. You lie constantly. And I understand because we just go through a lot as people.